Okay, so I've got the track down now and the switches are both working and I can throw them both with the Powercab. I can also use macros to throw them, but there's one more thing that's not quite working right. So I'm going to switch it to track power now. So we'll go program 6, enter 1 for yes, and we'll exit that. Now you can see it's only showing 0.06 of an amp, which is not right. It should be drawing about 0.40. So let's have a look to see what's happened. So as you can see, I've set the train up now on a separate little piece of track. It's totally separate from the main track. So let's have a look at the current. And it's drawing say 0.30 of an amp. So I'm definitely not getting the correct reading on the main line. So the track power to the switch it is here, and there's another track feeder off this flex track. These two power feeds I wound together and soldered to the bus line. Now it seems that the Powercab is only picking up the amperage on this feeder here, because I have 4 feeders all up. So what I'm going to do now is flip the board over and I will cut the power line here from the bus line, and I'm going to resolder it further on down the bus line, and hopefully I can get a more accurate reading of the amperage draw on this track. Okay, so I've cut the track feeder. I ended up cutting the track feeders for the flex track instead of this machine. It was just much easier to move that down than the other one. So this is where they used to be here. Now I've resoldered them down the line. Just going to put some of this insulation tape on it now, and we'll flip it back over and see if we've done anything. Alright, so I flipped it over and I've plugged it back in, and it hasn't made a great difference, except if you watch closely it's 0.06 and it blips over to 0.08 amps periodically. So I don't actually know what's going on, and if someone watching this YouTube video has any advice, maybe you could drop me a comment or something.